My name is Finn MacDonald. I'm the president of Independent 2 in Louisville, Kentucky. We're a third-generation company, and for over 60 years, we've had the unique challenge of taking care of our customers' everyday problems so that they can grow their businesses. That is our DNA. That is what we do. Anytime, any quantity, with innovation and service and quality included. That is what's built a multi-generational trust between our customers and our business. Over the last 15 years, our business philosophy has not changed, but the landscape of our business has changed dramatically. Our customers' products spend less time in the warehouse and more time in retail and on doorsteps. We had to recognize and embrace this change and invest in the resources to evolve from a brown box company to a branded packaging company and now to digital. Digital was an opportunity for us to get there faster and to take our customers there more quickly and successfully. We now have the ability to bring that dynamic digital energy to our customers with the Domino X630i. This is a single-pass, 4-color, aqueous-based press designed specifically to live and thrive in a manufacturing environment. That press is user-friendly, it's supportable, and it's expandable. Everyday digital is what we want to bring to our customers, to our market, and to our own internal operations. Everyday digital is an opportunity for us to take existing Flexo process and find efficiencies and consistency and more user-friendliness in the print operation. That's where we stand today. The Domino X630i is supporting our everyday digital business with our customers, with our market, and certainly inside our own operation.